Today we're going to be looking at what is inside the Calypso Double Plus breast pump box. The Calypso is a mum's net vest and is widely used across the NHS as well as community loan schemes. The vacuum seal technology makes the Calypso a closed system breast pump, protecting the breast milk and breast pump from contamination.
We will go through all of the pieces included together.
First of all, we have the breast pump unit itself. We have the buttons to operate the pump here. If you want to find out more about how to operate and assemble the Calypso breast pump, click the link below.
There is also an instruction manual in 7 languages and a quick guide to refer to in the box.
There is a connection point in the back of the pump to plug in the long cable that we have here. This can be plugged into a plug socket to run the pump. There is also the option to use batteries in the back of the pump if you want it to be more portable. Next we have two 26mm breast shells. Your nipple will be going into this tunnel here.
It is so important to use the correct breast shell size. Pumping should be comfortable. Having the correct size will help maximise what you express.
The Calypso comes with two 22mm silicone inserts. This can be placed into the 26mm breast shell to reduce the size. There are other sizes available on Ardo's website. They also have a helpful sizing guide you can download. There is a video that covers this in more detail. Just click the link below. We have here 2 lip valves, 2 silicone tubes, we have 2 green caps for the pump set, 2 membrane pots, a tube connector, 2 150ml bottles, 2 caps and 2 cap liners.
The Calypso has a bottle holder which can be hooked onto the back of the pump, where you can store your bottles when you are finished expressing. This helps prevent spilling your precious breast milk.
The versatile Calypso can be used for either single or double pumping. If you are single pumping, don't forget to close the cap here on the tube connector. The Calypso is Swiss made, NHS approved, a medical device, and all materials are free from BPA and BPS.